Hi, I'm Justin from ASPnix.com.
Today we are going to install SSL encryption on our website. SSL is a simple way to secure your site from hackers and data theft. To begin, enter into the client area. Then click on the My Services tab. I'm going to install SSL on this website here. Go ahead and click Manage. Scroll to the bottom and click on Login to Cpanel. It's right here on the left. Here we are in Cpanel. To install free SSL encryption, scroll down to the Security section and select Let's Encrypt. It's right here on the bottom right. Let's Encrypt is a free and very basic way to encrypt your site with SSL. If you can't afford a better option, this is a great alternative. Click on Let's Encrypt SSL now. We're going to issue a new certificate to this site here by just clicking on Issue over by the Actions area. Leave everything the same. Click Issue. Congratulations, you're encrypted.
If you haven't heard of us before, please feel free to take a minute to check us out. There is a link in the description. Those too lazy to click can just type in ASPnix.com.